If you are having trouble pricing UTemp fence rentals, SONCO's got your back. We used to run rentals too, and we know that pricing can either slow you down or help you grow. That's why we built a calculator that helps you move faster and price with confidence. Want to try it? Let me show you how it works. It covers what you need to quote a job step by step. Start by entering the total temp fence length, then how long the rental will last and how many panels you'll need. Now, let's talk about flexibility. You can adjust your pricing. We provide base rates, but you can change all rates to fit your needs. Just update the rate, and the calculator will instantly adjust your pricing. The prices change depending on where you are and the time of year, so make sure it matches your local rates. Just a heads up, all prices in this example are just for reference. Now let's talk accessories. List what you have, how many you'll use, and what you charge. If you're using gates, add them the same way. Then comes labor. Add how much you pay and how many workers you'll need to get the job done. If you also offer screens, add the material you'll use, your markup, and what they cost from your supplier. Then add the labor for installing them. That's usually charged as a separate service. You'll also see how much extra profit screen installs can bring in. If you offer other services, you can add those too. Just type in what they are and the cost. Last step is freight. Type how far you're going, how many trucks you'll need, and the full delivery cost. Remember to include the return trip. And that's it. This tool helps you quote faster, stay on top of your costs, and protect your profits. Click the link in the first comment and download your copy now. And if you want more ideas on how to price smarter, check out our video series with tips to improve your pricing strategy.